Happy Thursday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM on social media at CD Selling St. Pete, and we can talk about some of your options here in the communities that I serve. I want to bring to your attention two St. Petersburg area homes, both waterfront, canal front homes that hit the market on this morning. The first off, a four-bedroom, two-bath, 1,867 square foot property listed with Coastal Properties Group, and the listing agent is Susan Schneider. This home boasts a beautiful stone front driveway, so it's really good for entertaining. There's a 1.5 car garage, 1.5 because you can fit a motorcycle, but room for about half a dozen cars or more, so it's great for entertaining. It has its own private dock, boat lift that can support a boat as well as some jet skis. Uh, and an open floor plan. This house has been renovated recently, so when you look inside, it's as if it was designed by HGTV. And there's a lovely stone island with like a waterfall island with a stone top goes over the edge. And this home has been listed for $1,899,000. Next, also in St. Petersburg, we have a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,951 square foot home listed with Brophy Real Estate, and Temi Wenzel is the listing agent on this property. This home also, like I mentioned, boasts a dock and about 90 feet of waterfront. However, it has its own solar heated covered pool, so you can enjoy either the bay or your own pool. So one of the other options comes with this home. It has its own open floor plan and a fireplace for cozying up with the guests when they come visiting. Because I mentioned, this is also very much the type of home that people are going to want to come over for the holidays. Specifically, I would imagine Memorial Day or July 4th. This is a barbecue-friendly property. And this home, like as I mentioned before, has been listed for $1,799,000. Now, if these homes or any other in the St. Petersburg, Pinellas County area are of interest to you, and you want to talk about your options about living on the waterfront, give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Sung St. Pete, all my social media. Talk to you later.